Another one bites dust. Actually, 2 for 1. Look at this. The remains of the Red Dragon and the VFW. 2 for 1. Right here was the entrance to the Peep Show. Red Dragon. I'm gonna link videos to that. Check that out. It's all gone. It was in terrible condition. This basement. It's all nasty. I see another peep booths in there. Had to stop and see this one. Update, we did explore this. Was the Red Dragon was here. And then right next door to it was the VFW. We did both of them. I put links. And Cello's next door. Great guy. I've met him before. And I want to let you know that I'm very happy for you that they've torn this down to be good for your business. Oh, and one of those too. There's a wristband alert. Red Dragon, VFW, American Legion, gone.